Hi there guys, it's Hey Ho Let's Tow. Today we're going to do an unpacking video for a caravan fly screen. So since we got our caravan last year, we noticed that it doesn't have a fly screen fitted from Bailey. So we've been looking at the different options that we could get to retrofit it in our caravan. Luckily enough for us, when we were at the NEC show this year, we met our lovely subscribers called the Arisons, who had gifted us a lovely little package, which apparently is a fly screen. We're going to unbox it today. So let's unpack it. Well, it's a magnetic screen door. Bottom gravity sticks makes close quicker and prevents from blowing away by the wind. Advantages: can be widened using Velcro and it's strong. So let's have a look. Comes this nice little handy bag. Right. Haha. Heavy duty Velcro right here. And instructions. Nobody reads those. And let's just have a little look at this. Right. I can definitely feel the magnets in this bit here. Feels really nice and thick actually. And it definitely looks like it's going to be the right length. Let's pop it up against the door and check. Right, so this is the front side, and on the back you can see the really thick wide Velcro area here. So I'm presuming we're going to have to fit the other Velcro in the packet up here somewhere, there, so that can attach onto it. Now I'm not sure about whether or not we need to put it onto here, so it's got a bit of room from the door, possibly there. We'll just maybe have to have a look. Probably has to be flush against the wall though, I guess. We'll have to have a look. Right, so here's the packet with the Velcro pieces. Open this up. There's quite a lot here. There's a thinner part, and that's going to be to go down the sides, and then the wider Velcro is going to go along the top. So this is the wider one, and that looks like that just fits in there, in that gap, which is great. And this is easy to be cut into size as well, which is great. Got a bit of extra bit there. So that would go there, perfect. Right, so what I've done is I have put the Velcro on the back of the top of the screen, and then that would go into place here. I'm just a bit reticent about putting that sticky Velcro straight onto the wall of the caravan in case I make a mistake and I have to readjust it. I don't want to pull off the paint off the caravan wall. So I was just thinking maybe I need a 3M strip on there just in case I make a mistake when I'm putting it up. But that's where it will sit, just there. And then in this middle section here, this is where it's got the magnets. So it just opens here as you go through and closes, which is pretty good. So looking at it, I'm definitely going to have to do some measurements and just adjust it down the sides. I've noticed here that I'm probably going to have to just take it in a little bit here, and that's why we need one. Look at the fly, right? So I'm probably going to do a little bit of adjustment there, probably tuck it and then just sew it down here just to make it a bit less wide on the door. And also at the bottom, it's a little bit long. So we'll probably do the same at the bottom just to make sure it's just the right size. But measurements need to be taken first, but it looks really good. It's a good solution, especially to retrofit if you haven't got one in your caravan. Right, well, thanks for watching the unboxing video. It looks like a really good solution. Obviously I'm going to take some measurements and try and get it cut to size. If you've got any information about how I'm going to cut it, you know, and reattach it and shorten it, if there's Bonder web was going to work on it, I don't know. Can you just put a comment in below would be great, and also how I'm going to attach the Velcro to the caravan wall. If there's anything that you've used in the past and which not going to leave any marks, that would be great. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again soon. Please like, subscribe and share and do all that good stuff, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.